guys, so today my friend from the email, she sent me a slime. So we might see some so relaxing parts of the slime. And this maybe melts so fast. Some of you that are like, I gotta make slime, but how do you make it? The recipes are glue, borax and water. You mix them in. Then, if you want to make it fluffy and add a color, you may use food coloring, and you may use shaving cream to make it fluffy. So this slime, friend, that you made, you could hear me from your YouTube, you could watch this channel. It's awesome. I like this slime. It's really relaxing. So just like this slime. So I hope you like this video. I know it's too short, but subscribe my channel and give me likes, and let's get to 1,000 likes. Bye guys.